Hello and welcome to our review on the Urban Armour Gear Monarch case for the newly released iPhone SE. Today I will be modelling the crimson red case on the red iPhone SE. Urban Armour Gear have an extraordinary reputation for providing phones with high quality heavy duty cases across the globe. When first unboxing the cover, I am instantly drawn to the visually pleasing contrast of the crimson red frame and the black leather. Even by looking at the cover I can tell straight away that it has been constructed using the finest of materials, meaning that it is unlikely that the case's appearance will change over time. Therefore, I will not be needing to buy a new cover for a long time with this case attached to my phone. I have to say the red iPhone SE looks marvellous when fitted to the cover. The red on black is extremely eye-catching. Urban Armour Gear have composed 5 layers of top-class materials to craft this form of phone protection, all of which have the sole purpose of enforcing high-quality security to the iPhone SE. As a result of combining these particular layers, the phone will be able to withstand some of the toughest of falls. This is proven by the case's ability to exceed the military drop test twice over. The case would be ideal for people who tend to compete in adventurous activities that tend to sometimes push their device to its limits, as when this case is attached to your phone you can feel confident that your handset will be secure. The phone fits immaculately well into the case. There are no gaps that could cause concern to the device's security when attached. The handset sits against a sturdy plate which stops the phone from bending. This then contrasts with the rubber edging which allows you to easily remove and detach your device from the cover, and also ensures no damage occurs to the device or the case when doing so. As you can see, the screen is exposed, so if it was to come into direct contact there is a chance of your display becoming damaged. In order to get all-round protection, I would recommend purchasing a screen protector along with the case. Though there is some form of screen protection on the cover, and it comes in the form of a raised lip that is situated around the edging of the display. It is a rather steep raised bezel that will protect the phone's display when placed down, which is highly important as you do not want to be watching your favourite online streaming services through a scratched display. All inputs are cut out flawlessly, therefore I am able to continue listening to music and charging my phone as like before, whilst being able to keep my phone protected. Exterior buttons are shielded by the case for the sake of keeping their pristine condition intact whilst combating the tasks of everyday life. The back of the cover is insatiably smooth, making the process of removing the phone from your pocket effortless. The rubber edges enforce grip for when it is placed in your hand and when scrolling through social media and the web. The corners are shock absorbing, for if in the event your phone was to fall, they would be able to soften the impact and deflect any harm that may occur to your device. Overall, I'm incredibly impressed with the look of the cover. It is recognisable as one of Urban Armour Gear's products, making it a stylish accessory to add to your phone. Not only this, it also provides an insane amount of protection to your handset. You are able to use the phone daily knowing your device's condition is secure. I know that the cover is fairly costly, but by purchasing this case I truly believe you'll be receiving your money's worth. If you would like to get your hands on this case, check out the link in the description and comments below. Let me know what your favourite protective case is in the comments section. For more content regarding tech reviews and mobile accessories, please hit our subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.